Right now, let me show you how you can remove the weather widget on your Mac desktop. So as you can see, I have a bunch of widgets here on the left panel, and one of them is for the weather. So it's currently 72 degrees in LA, and what I can do about it is that I can either right click on it and click on edit forecast, meaning that I change the location to something else, right? That's the option. Or if you right click on it, you can literally click on remove widget and it's going to disappear from your widgets panel. But you can also just go back and then tap on the add widgets, and when the widget panel shows up at the bottom, you can again find the weather. So as you can tell, it is right in here, and you can bring back any type of weather you want in different sizes and even in different apps, right? So for example, this is from the Mac, but if you go to the iPhone, you can see I have the same weather app, but you might also use other things like the Carrot weather app. So that's a third-party one, which you might want to use as well, right? So it's pretty useful in that sense because you can play around with it and get the most out of it. But at the end of the day, you can click on remove widget and it's going to be gone. So that's it for me. Hope it helps, and I'll see you later.